Hello guys, welcome to Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make gajar ka halwa. That also in cooker without mawa, without khoya. So let's start. And remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to Cook with Appu and hit the bell icon. Ingredients for the homemade without mawa, without khoya gajar halwa are 2 kg grated carrot, sugar half kg, 100 grams of raisins, 100 grams of kaju cut into halves, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Elaichi we have taken, that also we have smashed with cloves, and 1 cup of milk. Today we are going to make gajar halwa full with using one vessel, that is cooker. So we'll make this gajar halwa in cooker. So follow the steps and like the video and subscribe to Cook with Appu. So today we are going to make in cooker, as I told you. Take a cooker, wash it nicely and then take it. Now we'll put clarified butter to it. Let it melt. Then we'll put the other ingredients. You can see our clarified butter is melting. This is the homemade clarified butter. Now we'll put the kaju which was cut into halves, cashew nuts. The flame is on medium flame. Then we'll make it to low flame because it's just initially heating up. That's why. With this kaju, we'll roast the cardamom and the cloves which was smashed in the mortar. Now we'll just roast it for at least 1 or 2 minutes till it's golden brown. Now we'll put the raisins, kishmish. You can also use any other dry fruits which you like, but I like this, so I am using these 3 or 4 dry fruits. We have to roast it nicely. Till then, let's see other things. Gajar ka halwa is a very famous Indian sweet dish. You should also try this at home. It's made in cooker without mawa, without khoya. It's a very famous dish. So like the video, subscribe to Cook with Appu. And we are taking 2 kgs of grated carrot. You can all take less or more, it's up to you, but we have taken 2 kg grated carrot and half kg sugar. Now we'll put the carrot, because you can see the cashew nuts color has changed. So you have to put the carrot just now, not the sugar. Now we'll mix it well with the dry fruits. We have not put anything else. We have just put the carrot now. We'll mix it well and then show you what we have to put. Now you can see I have mixed it very well. Now I'll put the 1 cup milk. You can take any milk, and now we'll mix it and keep it for 1 whistle. After putting the milk, I have mixed it well. Now we'll close the cooker and keep it in low flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, I'll show you the other steps. And remember, we have not put the sugar now. We will put the sugar after 1 whistle. If you are putting before, the taste will not be as good. It will be after 1 whistle. So follow the steps as I am showing you and like the video. After 1 whistle, we had let it cool. After that, we'll open the cooker. So it looks like this. It's not ready. Now we'll give it a mix. You can see it has not burnt. So now we'll add the sugar. We have taken almost half kilogram of sugar, 500 grams. Now we'll mix it. If you have a microwave, you can Take this out and keep it in a microwave safe bowl and keep it for at least 6 to 8 minutes and it will be ready. But if you are making in cooker, I'll tell you the steps. So you can see I have put the sugar and mixed it because the carrot was so hot that sugar has melted in it. So we'll on the low flame we'll keep on mixing till it is dry. So if you are making in cooker you have to do like this. If you are having a microwave you can just convert it into a microwave bowl and keep the gajar halwa in that for at least 8 minutes in normal mode. So on low flame you have to keep on mixing it till it becomes the perfect texture for gajar halwa. As I told you before, if you have microwave it's easy, you don't have to mix any. Just keep it for 8 to 10 minutes in microwave and it will be ready. So let's just mix it, and after 8 to 10 minutes if it is ready I'll show you. So you can see it is fully cooked now and it's ready. This I had half trip kept in microwave also for 10 minutes. So you can see it's fully cooked, and I've layered with the cooker one also, that's also cooked. I'll show you the consistency. So you can see it's so juicy and cooked well with that crunchy kaju in it. Cashew nuts also are very crunchy, so you should try this recipe. I'll just serve it and show you. So I've plated my gajar ka halwa. You can also make it and have it hot. Serve hot, and you can garnish with your favorite dry fruits also. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to Cook with Appu and hit the bell icon to get the notifications for the latest videos. Subscribe, we are very near to 300 subscribers, so subscribe and share the video.